Circuit analysis or circuit theory or electrical circuit analysis subject. In this subject, simple equivalent circuit. Find the simple equivalent circuit and compute V seen. In this circuit calculation, we use a source combinations problem and resistance calculations. Simple equivalent circuit obtained and dependent or control voltage sources are in this network. That is important. Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's voltage law is applied in this circuit. That is very important. Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's voltage law. From this law, we find out simple equivalent circuit and V value. And engineering welcomes you all. Find the simple equivalent circuit and compute V. In this circuit, voltage sources and dependent voltage sources and resistance, small circuit resistance and series connected resistance. We find out value of across 20 ohm resistance. V is find out value, that is important. Sources plus 150 and 40 volt, that is minus to plus rise voltages and 40 volt plus 2 minus. So 150 minus 40, put opposite sign for 40, that is we operate 110, that is minus to plus any sign. The sources 110 volt. Resistance calculations. So take small circuit 4 and 4 in parallel. 4 into 4 divided by 4 plus 4, 64 divided by 8. Sorry, 16 divided by 8, that is 2 ohm. Operate 2 ohm. Put in resistance circuit 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 5 ohm. That is in series format. 2 plus 3 plus 5, that is 10 ohm. Operate equivalent circuit. Resistance calculation series method or applied. Sources 110 volt we operate, that is opposite one is opposite direction, so we operate 110 volt, that is minus to or plus. Required resistance is 10 ohm, that is from the equivalent circuits 110 volt and dependent source 0.5 volt. Required resistance is 10 ohm and 2 ohm resistance. We find out V value for across the 2 ohm resistance in this problem. Applying Kirchhoff's voltage law, minus to plus, that is rise voltage minus 110 volt plus 10I, minus to plus, so rise voltage put minus sign, minus 0.5 volts. Plus V, that is plus 2 minus voltage across 2 ohm is equal to 0. Apply Kirchhoff's voltage. Applying Ohm's law, V is equal to 2I in voltage across the 2 ohm resistance. Substituting 2 in 1. We have written minus 110 plus 10I minus 0.5 into 2I plus 2I is equal to, that is first equations. Substituting 2 in 1. V is 2I. 2 into ampere is 10. Is 20 volt. I is, we are obtained in this first equation 10 ampere. So V is 2I, 2 into 10, 20 volt. Second problem, determine the simple equivalent circuit and compute V. The consists of voltage sources and two voltage sources and dependent or control sources and small circuits resistance and series resistance. We find out across the voltage of 5 ohm That is very important in problem. Sources is minus to plus, that is rise voltages, and minus to plus, that is rise voltages. That is same direction. 100 minus 100 minus it is minus 180 volt. Resistance calculations. Take small circuits. 3 and 4 and 2 are parallel. First 3 and 4 take 3 and 4 in parallel. 3 into 4 divided by 3 plus 4. Or 1.74. 1.74 and 2 is parallel. 12, that is 12 divided by 7 and 2 in parallel. We obtain total resistance value is 0.9229 ohm. We obtain resistance circuit is 10 ohm and 0.93 ohm, 8 ohm in series format shown in notes. In this circuit we use Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's voltage law, resistance calculations, source combination problem is important. In above circuit, we obtain 10.923 and gauge in series. So add record resistance, we obtain 18.923 ohm. Source is minus 188. Puts in record circuit minus 2 plus. Rise voltage is 180 volts and record resistance is 18.923 ohm. I is current flow in this circuit. 0.4 volt is dependent sources or control sources. We find out voltage value across 5 ohm. To find V solution, we see in next page. That is, ask for Sarma questions answers. Applying KVL. The algebraic sum of the voltage are on closed loop is zeros. Applying B first equations. Applying Ohm's law. B is 5I. Substituting 2 in 1, we obtain I value. Put V is 5I in this formula. I value put, we obtain V value 34.7. That is voltage across the 5 ohm resistance. That is answer. In this problem, we apply source combinations formula, Kirchhoff's voltage formula, and Ohm's law, and solve these equations. We find out these values and record simple equivalent circuits we obtain. Kindly noted. Man Engineering, thank you.